Welcome to the Kids Day. I'm Komali and I'm thrilled to be here with my awesome co-host and my little sister Kushali.
Hi everyone,
Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to Kids Day, your fun place for everything cool and exciting. I'm Komali.
and I'm Kushali. We are super excited to be here today. Guess what we're talking about?
It's something everyone loves but also complains about sometimes. It's road trips.
I love road trips. But sometimes they can be so long and I get really bored.
I know, right? Being stuck in the car for hours can be tough. But don't worry. Today we have some awesome tips and ideas to make your road trips exciting, fun, and super memorable.
Yep, these tips will help you stay entertained, relax, and maybe even learn a thing or two. Let's dive in.
Okay, first things first.
Snacks.
No, games. Road trips can get boring if you don't have something fun to do. Playing games is a great way to pass time and have fun with your family.
My favorite game is I Spy. You know how it goes. One person says, I spy with my little eye something blue, and the other person guesses what it is.
Yeah, it's simple but so fun. You can play with things you see outside the car or even inside.
Another fun game is license plate game. You try to spot license plates from different states or places by identifying their codes. Whoever spots the most plates wins.
That's a good one. And don't forget about 20 questions. One person thinks of something. It could be an animal, a place, or even a movie. And the other person gets to ask up to only 20 questions to figure out what the other person is thinking.
And what about would you rather? You ask silly questions, right? Would you rather eat ice cream for breakfast or pizza for every meal?
Ooh, I love that game. It's so much fun and it makes you think of really funny answers.
Now let's talk about snacks. Snacks are super important for road trips. If you get hungry, you get cranky. And nobody wants a cranky car ride.
True, some of the best snacks for road trips are things like sandwiches, fruits, and granola bars, along with trail mix. Try to pack things that aren't too messy because it may make a mess in the car.
I like having a mix of healthy snacks and a few treats. Maybe some cookies or a small bag of chips.
Yeah, and don't forget to carry lots of water. Staying hydrated is really important on road trips, especially when you're going on really long ones.
And one more thing. Take a small cooler to keep things fresh. Cold fruit and juice taste so much better.
Alright, next tip, music. Music makes road trips so much better. Before your trip, create a fun playlist with all your favorite songs.
Yeah, you can add dance songs, sing-along songs, and even some funny songs. My favorite song is Baby Shark Doo 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 Doo. Baby Shark Doo 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 Doo. Baby Shark Doo 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 Doo. Baby Shark Doo 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 Doo. Baby Shark. Mommy Shark Doo 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 Doo.
Alright, that's enough. My favorite songs are Blackpink. Never mind, Mom and Dad anyway choose the playlist for us most of the time.
Aha! That one is a classic. But you can also mix in some audiobooks or stories. Listening to a fun story can make time fly by. If you have siblings or friends, take turns being the DJ Everybody gets to play their favorite songs.
There are many fun podcasts of kids and science and also so many storytelling podcasts. By the way, you can even listen to our podcast, Kids Deck, on your road trips.
Yes, true. You can listen to our silly, informative conversations. Okay, enough promoting our podcast, I guess. Sitting in a car for hours can make you feel tired. It's a good idea to plan some fun stops along the way.
Yes, stopping at a park, a rest area, or even a cool landmark can give everybody a chance to stretch your legs.
I love stopping for ice cream or a quick picnic. It helps to make the trip feel like an adventure.
And if you're going past a famous spot like a waterfall, museum, or even a giant statue, stop and take some pictures. It's your memories.
Those little breaks make the trip so much more fun.
Another great tip is to pack some activities for the car. Sitting still can get boring, so it's good to have things to keep you busy.
Yeah, I like bringing coloring books, crayons, puzzles. I write about all the fun things I see and do.
That's a great idea. You can also bring a sketch pad like me if you love drawing. Try drawing the places you pass by.
And if you have a tab, you can watch a movie or play games in your console. Just remember to take headphones so you don't disturb others.
Yep. And if you're into reading, pack few of your favorite books or comics. It's a great way to relax during the trip.
Want to know a secret to having a road trip? Help your parents pack.
That's true. When you help with packing, you get to make sure you have everything you need and want, like your favorite toys, snacks, clothes, even a pillow.
Plus, it makes your parents happy when you help out. A happy family means a happy trip.
You can make a checklist to make sure you don't forget everything, like snacks, check, water, check, games, check, music, check, and of course, my travel pillow, check.
I always pack my favorite stuffed animal too. It makes me feel cozy in the car.
This one's super important though. Be cooperative and patient. Road trips are fun, but sometimes things don't go as planned.
Yeah, like if there's traffic or someone takes a wrong turn.
Instead of getting upset, try to stay calm and patient. Remember, it's all part of the adventure.
And if your parents ask you to help something like passing snacks or keeping the car clean, be helpful.
The more we work together, the more fun the trip will be.
One of the best parts of planning a road trip is deciding where to go. Like, what kind of places do you like visiting, Komali?
I love visiting places with lots of nature, like mountains, beaches, or forests.
Me too. I love places with fun activities like amusement parks or water parks.
Sometimes visiting a historical place or a museum can be really interesting. You learn so many new things.
And don't forget about small towns or places with yummy food. Trying new foods is always fun.
So there you have it, our top tips for having an awesome road trip.
We hope these ideas help you have fun, stay entertained, and make amazing memories with your family.
Remember, road trips are all about the journey, not just the destination. So enjoy every moment.
Thanks for listening to Kids Tech. We both will be back with more fun new topics soon. Thanks for all the amazing people joining us today for another fantastic episode of Kids Tech. It's time to say bye for our listeners.
We hope you had as much fun as we did. And remember, if you want to share your thoughts, questions, or ideas, we're just a message away. We love hearing from you. Please drop us a message on our Instagram Kids Deck or send us an email at kidsdeck.info@gmail.com.
Stay curious and keep exploring. Keep asking a lot of questions. And
don't forget to
have fun!